In the on-site guarding review, a sales engineer makes a site visit to pre-form a collaborative machine guarding assessment. We're able to assess multiple aspects, including machine hazards, functional safety, stop time distance, machine acquisition, ergonomic safety, and more. This is achieved through dialogue with operators and maintenance to help better understand the machine, finding the best way for production and safety to work together. Then from here, concept sketches with measurements, photos, and video, and stop behaviors are captured for the engineering process. During the engineering process, we gather our sketches and photos and send them into our design team to start the design process. Next is our custom design with turnkey solutions. Once the initial conceptual review is complete, our tenured and skilled engineers create 3D computer-aided design models and a scope of work summary. Then deliverables to include a PowerPoint presentation and turnkey quote with material, installation, integration, and optional upgrades. Along with this, after they've received the deliverables, we have a virtual meeting to discuss the details, ensuring the scope of work is correct. Upon your approval and purchase order, our team then verifies the designs on site. What do we offer? Product on demand, project assembly, project sub-assembly, replacement parts or DIY projects, custom machine parts, and metal fabricated parts. Large inventory of raw materials to accommodate custom designs consisting of bulk fractional T-slot aluminum, skids of wire mesh and polycarbonate panels, associated brackets, feet, door hardware, as well as standard safety switches, presence sensing and monitoring devices, and more. Metric extrusion sizes available upon request can be prepared for your next guarding installation, or a build and ship in kit form or assembled form such as workbenches, carts, racks, and shelving. Save time and money while reducing frustration from expensive CAD software, trying to read drawings, finding floor space to sort T-slotted extrusion and plastic and wire mesh panel sizes, and chance of losing hardware by receiving your project fully assembled, ready to unpack and put in place. These framing projects can consist of machine guarding, ergonomic workstations, lean manufacturing racks and carts, and more with simple shop solutions. For projects too large to ship in a single assembly, we can break them down into manageable sections, receive them, set them up, connect them together, and put in place. These T-slot framing projects such as milling machine and lathe guards, perimeter guarding, 5S work cells are just some of the solutions you can build quickly while providing great aesthetics. Order common T-slotted extrusion lengths, connection methods, hardware, and accessories with just a phone call, making the process efficient for you to get parts. Choices can be overwhelming with thousands of products to choose from, so let our customer service reps and/or designers help you. With our experienced machinists, we can custom make brackets and plates, stops, sensor brackets, etc., using 6061 aluminum, hot-rolled or cold-rolled steel, and various plastics, which can be used to help adapt to your T-slot frame without looking like an afterthought for such products as safety switches, ergonomic lifting devices, adaptive tooling, and more. Our master fabricators can cut, machine, bend, roll, weld, and engrave, typically created from a light to medium gauge sheet metal, as well as steel tubing. Custom plating such as painting and powder coating with standard colors or customer requested RAL color numbers. Our crews travel to you ready to install premium safety measures with reliable trucks in a fully stocked mobile shop, bringing the benefits of a top-tier safety contractor to your facility. We offer nationwide installation services, including electronic safety device integration, from single-location manufacturers to multi-plant facilities. We support industry-specific machine guarding improvements across diverse sectors, including automotive, paper, textile, metals, wood, food, transportation, medical, pharmaceutical, aerospace, and more, all prioritizing worker protection. Our experienced field crew can custom fit guarding for any machine, from single enclosures to full production lines, including older, pre-OSHA models not originally designed with safety in mind. At PowerSafe Automation, we understand the critical importance of maintaining machine guarding to ensure the safety and efficiency of your manufacturing environment. Our preventative maintenance (PM) program is designed to not only maintain machines, but also to ensure the ongoing effectiveness of protective machine guarding. Features of our PM program: comprehensive scope of work and our tailored T&M model. Our PM program covers routine maintenance for machine guarding, including inspection, cleaning, and adjustments to ensure optimal performance. We offer a time and material T&M model with standard labor rates and materials, allowing you to schedule maintenance as needed. Advantages of PM program: minimize exposure to hazards, prevent unplanned downtime, reduce waste due to accidental trips, extend life expectancy of guarding, and our hassle-free process. By maintaining machine guarding, you can minimize the risk of accidents and ensure a safe working environment for your employees. Regular maintenance helps prevent unexpected equipment failures, reducing costly downtime and production delays. Regular maintenance helps prevent unexpected equipment failures, reducing costly downtime and production delays. Proper maintenance extends the lifespan of machine guarding, reducing the need for frequent replacements. Simply contact us with the scope of work, receive a T&M proposal, issue a purchase order, and schedule the maintenance visit. Trust PowerSafe Automation to keep your machine guarding in top condition, ensuring the safety of your workforce and the uninterrupted operation of your manufacturing processes. Contact us today to schedule your preventative maintenance visit and experience the benefits of a proactive approach to machine guarding maintenance.
PowerSafe Automation, engineering your safety.
Call today at 844-520-SAFE or visit our website at powersafeautomation.com.